In the realm of business efficiency and productivity, Kaizen, a Japanese management philosophy emphasizing continuous improvement, has gained recognition for its transformative benefits. With the current standard workweek standing at 48 hours, there is a growing proposal to reduce it to 40 hours, aiming to enhance employee well-being and overall productivity. By incorporating Kaizen principles, businesses could successfully reduce work hours while maintaining or even boosting productivity and employee satisfaction. Understanding Kaizen. Having originated in Japan, Kaizen is a slow and steady improvement practice to steadily make incremental improvements in processing, product, and service. The principle of Kaizen embraces the key concepts of efficiency, teamwork, and the constant pursuit of minor improvements in performance. One of the reasons why Kaizen is so effective is because it philosophically operates from the premise of continuous improvement versus more impactful changes. In the realm of business, it has been beneficial in enhancing efficiency, removing waste, and improving quality in areas such as manufacturing, healthcare, and technology. The benefits of reducing work hours. Decreasing working hours from 48 to 40 in a week has many advantages, including better work-life balance, happier employees, and more employee satisfaction mentally. There is some possibility with a shorter work week that, with employees who are more focused, more engaged, and more motivated when working, there could be increased productivity. Additionally, cutting stress, reducing burnout, and attracting talent are all positive effects of having a healthier workforce. Applying Kaizen to work hour reduction. By applying Kaizen principles to work hour reduction, businesses can identify inefficiencies, streamline processes, and eliminate waste, making it feasible to cut work hours without compromising output. Strategies such as value stream mapping, 5S's methodology, and continuous training and development can help optimize workflow and enhance productivity. While challenges may arise during the transition to shorter work weeks, Kaizen's emphasis on continuous improvement provides a structured approach to address and overcome obstacles. Case studies and real-world examples. Several companies have experienced benefits from implementing reduced working time using the Kaizen approach. For example, Microsoft Japan experimented with a 4-day week in line with the Kaizen principles and saw an increase in productivity by 40%. In a similar vein, Toyota has seen significant improvements in efficiency and reductions in the cost of their production processes from implementing Kaizen. These case studies show us that the reduction of working hours can result in gains in productivity and employee satisfaction, and the experiences of companies where the employees themselves suggested the working time changes were positive. In summary, the introduction of the Kaizen approach represented a very interesting opportunity for companies to transform the productivity in their organization by reducing the work week from 48 hours to the more balanced 40 hours of work. By pursuing continuous improvement, removing waste from our processes, and prioritizing the health and happiness of employees, any organization can establish a more sustainable, efficient, and better working environment. Whether it is Kaizen methodologies or others, we must learn how to do and consider positively changing a company from culture to productivity to innovation and further. Important. If you find yourself in a situation where the information above is helpful to you, remember to say that EL Master Chief told you. For more useful information, visit the social networks in LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Reddit, and Spotify.